Hey, good morning from Magnet Mad Mum and Dad, and we're here in Sheffield, and wow, what a beautiful location. What a beautiful location. And we're here today at, let me see if I can see, we're at Bacon Lane Bridge, number 6. And with us today we've got Mark.
Hi everybody.
Boston Magneteers.
How are we doing?
And also with us we've got, not the one, not the only,
Oh, Sleepy Dipper.
the original Sleaford Dipper.
Hang on, let me do my the original Deaford Slipper.
The original Deaford Slipper.
Hello everybody, and welcome
And
to another episode of Magnet.
We've got Mr. Lee Cuts from Magnetic North.
And
We've got Jason Dolby.
Magnet Mad Mum.
Morning. Oh, that's JJ's Dippers.
Let's.
Very nice. We've got Jess. Morning, Jess. With a new Bondi bucket.
I've left Dave in the car.
Look at that. We've got Steve McKenna,
Morning.
who's here with, he's got his new kit as well. What magnet are you using, Steve?
I'm using the Magnetar Beast.
Oh. And Alex has got his brand new double E70s on his clamp, so he's going to try that. We've got our 4th member, family member, Leah, and we've got Magnet Mom. She's here. She's been busy getting all the kit out as well. So yeah, look at that. What a beautiful place. I'm going to just, I mean, what's not to like here today? It's beautiful. The weather's beautiful. Scenery's beautiful.
I've tied you very
You're beautiful. See you soon. Day off. She's done a lot today. Doing all the sandwiches, getting all the magnets ready. So, give her a rest. It don't hurt, does it?
Good morning, Glenn.
Morning.
Check the clamp.
morning.
Hey up, Glenn.
Hiya.
Do you mind if
Oh,
I
we've
just
got
film
somebody
a
arrived now.
No.
We've got Glenn and Arwin from Lazy Lobbers. Good morning.
Can't be away from being filmed this time.
I won't say why Glenn's just got here.
Because I overslept.
Because he overslept. I think we've all done it at some time or other.
I woke up at 4 and thought, fucking hell, it's early.
I woke up at 4:20 with the alarm for the collab last week. I'd left the alarm running.
So I thought, fuck it, I'm not getting up yet. I'm going back to sleep.
You got Mark from Boston Magneteers under the bridge there as well.
We're setting up.
Here we have Lazy Lobbers Glen.
Morning.
So we've got a fisherman just down there. But exactly where he is, there's a safe looking thing. So
Wait till it buggers off.
that's it.
Or we can intimidate. No. No, we won't.
Yeah.
Bye.
Are you
Bye.
Are you going to go down there and push him in?
No, I'm going to blow my
bully
whistle
him.
at him and I'm going to say Kayaking. You fish one more time, I'll get...
Arwin, you rocking all the army stuff today?
No, I actually look like I've just come from the dance.
You got a what? A ball. I should hope you have. Never seen somebody so excited for finding a ball. Alex has only got one ball. You can see how today's going to go, can't you?
We've got rebar. Rebar! Just when you want a piece, they come in like buses. Boom, shrapnel.
Oh, cheers, mate. What do we have here? Ugh. We've got a piece of wine. Oh, who pulled that out?
Me?
Lindsay found a file
No, I showed him. And a crack pipe.
and a crack pipe. So, we've got that. Should we call it a curly whirly? And
I've got some.
Got a pole. And a battery.
Oh, you've got a special branch.
I have. Special branch it is. Over there.
Get off my rope. Get off my rope.
yeah, there's your general waste.
Yeah. And this, I'll keep hold up. A tracker team.
So see if I can. Come on. Just remember it's attached to you. Come on.
Oh, that was a good one.
Yay!
I don't know what it is, but in this section there's just lots of heavies. Up and down a bit.
Definitely like it.
I tell you what, give it.
That's it. That's all you can ask for.
Yeah, Alex got a bad spot there.
Eh?
Alex got a bad spot. He's got old rocks from Old Tree.
Oh, I got a triangle.
Got what? A triangle?
Can you play it?
Look.
Oh, it's the wrong sort of triangle.
I can remember when I used to play on the train.
Oh, yeah.
It was probably the easiest.
Oh, could be an Egyptian pyramid.
Yeah.
Ask Alex if he wants a triangle.
Granddad's new house. His man cave.
Okay.
Would you say that your garage is like your man cave?
Yeah, I suppose it is, yeah.
You're a cool man cave.
That's it.
Are you getting ready for the sale? See what happened? She touched it with her nose and then went out. Then she went back and touched it with her hands again. I said, "Oh, I think I'll get off, I'll get off." Yeah, it's already off.
Just, you get rubbish rather than struggling. House rubbish there and now.
Yeah, it looks like the beading. What's it happening?
Oh!
You have to go in front of Leah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is great stuff, this magnet fishing.
Bam.
Oh, shows your magnet's good.
Metal hook. Broken cans.
Oh. Yeah. That. I know. Is a steel toe cap. Oh, got a little fishing spinner on a piece of metal. We got. Oh gosh, what haven't we got? Magnetic rock. Piece of scrap metal. More scrap metal. Rock. That's it.
What's this? Really hard. Is it off? Yeah. Found this. I don't know what it is. Yeah. And then
What you got there, Leah? Oh, that's a long piece.
that's the
So
one.
look at the end. Oh, it's a piece of section, yeah. Yeah, so nice one.
Nice.
I got a magnet.
Magnet.
Yeah.
Magnet.
Go on,
A
yeah.
cheap Amazon magnet.
I got a magnet. I got a magnet. Magnet.
I can't take the bitch out for a neighbour's wife. You can't find something dull. I've had a sledgehammer. I've had 4 shopping cartridges. She's definitely doing a job. I think she's probably named.
I think I'm gonna move on. I'm not finding What is that?
Bit of a drain pipe, down pipe.
Roger's piping it. Do you want me to
It's good to talk.
telephone insulator. Hello? Nobody's answering.
And down here we've got, Jess has been pulling out lots of plastic with a grappling hook. And I think we've already got a bucket full. And yeah, there's just loads of it.
No magnet.
And Jess, yeah, like Jessica said earlier, she's found a magnet and some tweezers. So some.
No, Jason found the tweezers.
Oh, Jason found the tweezers. And what's Mark pulled out? What are those little cash drawers or something? And security tags. Yeah, I don't know whether they're cash drawers or something, I don't know. But that definitely looks like a security tag. And Yeah, we are actually finding ingots, small ingots down here as well. Quite a mix really of stuff. That's a part of a car, piece of metal. Oh, what you found, Steve?
Chunk of metal.
Chunk of metal.
Literally.
That possibly might be a bit of fencing
Yeah.
with the shape of the top there.
Quite possible.
Quite possible. It's all down to our own imagination. How's Glenn doing?
Not too bad. Found some big rocks.
Oh, cool. Let's have a look. Yeah, there's a lot of magnetic rocks here. What's that, a metal, a belt?
Belt.
Oh, that's strange, isn't it? What a thing to pull out. Yeah, there's a lot of magnetic rock down here. Hello. Let's just, you got half a cash tin?
Yeah.
Did we get the half with the cash in it?
No.
Oh, that's not good.
Alex robbed me.
And Lindsay's found all sorts of files and the old insulators off the old telephone poles. Leah found a bar. These are lovely, look at that. SSYN. So, runner. You can't say that. Oh, you got a pair of mole grips. So Lindsay's pulling tools out. Oh, they're open as well.
Get a grip.
Get a grip. Let's have a look at them. Oh, they're long-nosed as well. They'll be on in my toolbox later.
Hold on, what's this?
And what else have you got? Ooh. You've got something that is still magnetic after you've took it off. What have you got? Oh, that's strange, isn't it? It's got like a ceramic.
tail?
Right, do you want a chisel?
Oh, and Alex found a chisel.
Which one do you keep?
Let's have a look.
It's your
Ooh.
chisel.
Well, we're just putting metal in metal, and we've got that many buckets on the go. I mean, look at the amount of plastic that we're pulling out. And we've got we've got. Would you mind if I showed him that, Alex? Or
Oh, go for it.
and Alex has found himself a lovely sledgehammer.
Hang on.
Let's have a look.
I don't want to tell you all my best finds, but it's my only find, really. I've got a burner phone.
Oh, he's got a burner phone.
It's not on fire. It's on fire. It's not. It's not at all, is it?
No, don't ever give up your day job, will you? And what else have you found? Oh, they're Muslim, aren't they?
I'm jealous.
Yeah. Wow.
Got big fat sausage fingers and they're like really
Yeah, they're like shotgun cartridges.
They
but-
are shotgun cartridges,
but they're small.
They're small ones.
I wonder if they're for some kind of machinery, like some kind of gun or
says-
something. You know.
Oh, it's got all on it. Hey, my tower.
You can see through that as well. On the
Oh
bit.
yeah, I can see Lindsay.
Look at that
68 mil.
thumbnail.
Clay.
And we've got Mr. Cuts here. Oh, what have you got there, Lee?
Another wedge.
Another wedge. And Lee's been pulling out some ingots, and he saw that as well. And down here we've got Leah and Arwen. What are we finding down here, girls? Not much.
No, I've got 2 of these circle thingies.
Shout out.
No, Sonic. Ding ding.
Sonic ding ding. Yes, we've got loads of these. SSYN 1987. If you know what it is, give us a shout. And how's Arwen? She's good. She is good. So yeah, everybody's off to a good start. And all I can say is we might move up a little bit and see how things go, because we're picking up a lot of rubbish here. Obviously there's a bit of a bottleneck there, so Obviously that's going to gather a bit of rubbish, so we'll see how we go.
It's a saw blade.
It's got a couple of teeth missing, it's a bit like me. And Alex has found something as well. Let's have a look. What did you find just, Alex?
A tyre and this disc. I don't know what it has.
I think Lee had one of those out earlier.
That's a desk.
A desk.
It's doing your granny bit.
Doing your granny bit.
Desk your granny. Disc.
You two are just like really, really bad.
He brings out the worst in me.
No, you bring out the worst in each other. You act like children.
I'm trying to be mature about this.
You act like children.
Right, speak to you in a bit.
Alex, your wife wants you.
That's what Mark, Roger, Lee and myself got out. And we've got Deeford Dave with his Magnet Mad Mum and Dad flag. And as we come up here, we have Lee Cuts.
Hello.
And we have Marcus.
Hello, Huss.
Hello, Huss. And then, right at the back, is Roger. He's hiding.
I am, I'm just nice and quiet on my own. Keeping out of trouble.
Would you like a cup of tea?
I'd love a cup of tea.
Okay.
I would love a cup of rubber tea.
Would you like a sandwich as well?
Not yet.
Okay.
I haven't earned one yet, apparently.
Bubbles!
You reckon Daddy
Last
last
week,
summer?
when we was magnet fishing, Lindsay ended up with 2 left gloves. And Alex has got 2 right gloves.
Last week, when we were magnet fishing, Lindsay ended up with 2 left gloves.
All right. Bye.
And what else did you say?
And Alex,
Ended up with 2 right
gloves. So,
Alan, you like this? You like this?
No, that's weird.
we now have to exchange a
A
glove.
glove exchange. I'll put my hat on properly. I look a bit divvy, don't I?
So now Lindsay's got the right gloves and Alex has got the right gloves.
Is it a 10? It's a 10 and a half.
Yeah.
How did you... I bet you pinched my gloves in the first
No,
place.
Roger had some because they're too big for me. So Roger normally has these ones. And I have this like extra small ones because I've only got little hands.
So why are you wearing 10s then?
I'm not. That was in my bag. I just forgot them last week.
Well, you put 2 pairs on. You had to wear one back to front. Leah's gonna fall in.
Go on.
Weigh that much, Alex, so it's easy for me.
Just float.
Ooh, look at these.
Right, push it off now, yeah.
She hasn't got a magnet with her.
Video.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
You alright?
Oh, I'm meant to get back.
You should.
That's it now, Leah. Bye. Hey, Jess. Bye.
Go on, keep doing one side and it'll turn round.
I don't think you have a choice, mate. Right, I'm turning around.
She's just going round in circles.
That's it.
Donut in it.
Have you got your indicator stuck?
Well, at least you don't drive a BMW, will you?
That's it.
Look at you showing off now.
Are you left or right-handed?
Left.
Right, left-handed paddle. So you're all right. Literally, the left-handed paddle.
That's fine, just hi guys. See you later.
What's the difference?
The angle is slightly different. Is it? Yeah, because you're dominant. Your left hand's dominant.
Let's not crash.
So it's just like the angles.
Honestly,
Are you fetching it back in now?
so you're better this way, pointing that way.
Yeah, go on.
I'm gonna crash.
You have to chuck us that orange lead.
That lead.
Yeah, give me the pedal. Did you enjoy that?
I did. Yeah.
Can you give me your hand?
You can sit on the side there. I'm not going to. The boat will not move, the boat's flying.
Well, it's got the boat from the back.
That's it, sit on the side, swing your leg there.
Yay!
Look at you.
I got a spare tray for two stickers, that I thought.
Hey my dudes. So, we have an old key, which is really cool. And then, I'm just clean it off.
Oh, wasn't it? Oh, there it is.
This is my coolest find.
Have a look at it.
What is it? Is it an old type key or?
It's got sharps on it.
No, it's a euro.
That's
It says
not-
ER.
Oh.
It's KR.
Oh, then.
KR.
That
Is it
says
a krona?
KR. It's Krona. It's Russian, isn't it? I don't know.
Oh, I got a
Yeah.
Russian coin.
She got herself a foreign coin.
Yeah.
I've got myself a bloody bag again.
It's alright, we got a pair of trousers. And Mark has a mystery bag. The mystery is, how the hell did he get it on the magnet? Is it potent as well?
Got a rubbish bag here.
No, not the same size.
We're going to fill it first. I've got a bag, look.
No, but I'll give you another bag.
I've got a bag in this
Mark's
bag.
on about Nottingham.
We got a pair of waterproof trousers.
Next
week or something? Lindsay's found herself a bike. Let's have a look. Fingers!
Feel it in your fingers?
I think it's a bit broken.
Very nice.
Oh, overstairs.
Oh.
Overstairs. He's got a motor in it.
That is massive, isn't it? That's got to be like a tour room. Where's he going?
I don't know, you might find it's a breaking bag. Oh yeah, no, we can bag all our fights. Only that way, Steve.
I just heard swear words come from Glenn's mouth.
Glenn always swears.
That's the biggest one I've ever seen.
That's what she said.
I think that's still going to intellect.
Definitely Mr. Blue Sky's got nothing to do with it.
Mr. Blue Sky's going to fit in that tunnel.
Do you hear a lot of squeaking when it goes?
That's going to be really tight through there, isn't it?
Nice way.
Because it's not as though he can, like, turn round, is it?
LB hard feet.
Wonder he's got hard skin. That is the biggest barge I've ever seen.
I'll charge you 400 quid to clean your boat.
Who's for occasion?
Comes with a free roll of toilet paper.
Don't get much tighter than that, do you?
Slow down, you're gonna crash.
Oil on the road!
Oh gosh, look at that.
That's about 6 inches from the roof. So, here we are. We've brought all the scrap from both sides and we've got it here, and we're just bringing a vehicle to this side of the bridge and then we're going to load that up. So, absolutely shattered, but it's been a great day. Weather's been absolutely beautiful. Just taking a look at that.
Back there as well.
So, here we are at the end of another great day. We've cleaned up all the scrap and now in the trailer, all cut up thanks to Alex Burrows.
Yeah.
And thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'm going to be editing the video this week, so if it's rubbish, blame me, not Magnet Mum. Yeah, I'll take it on the chin. I don't mind. But yeah, so it's goodbye from Leah.
Goodbye, my lover.
Him as well.
Me.
The Deaford slipper, Alex Burrows. Goodbye from Magnet Mum, who's there just packing away.
Bye.
No, she's not. She's rubbish.
We got Steve, who's kindly taking the scrap today.
See you later.
The Lee Cuts, Jason Dolby. And we've got Glenn and Arwen from Lazy Lobbers, come all the way from Derby. And of course, don't forget Boston Magnitudes, and he's come all the way from Boston. Yeah, so
Massachusetts.
so yeah, it cost him a bit in fuel. But yeah, so it's, yeah, let's have a look at the back of your jumper. That looks cool. So look at the back. Look at that. Yeah, don't forget, if you can, scan the QR codes and put it on your delete list. But yeah, thanks to everybody for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to put a thumbs up, and of course it helps us on our journey. And yeah, share the video. Caring is sharing. Love you all. Bye.